All right, y'all, welcome to Universal Orlando's Aventura Hotel. Really what this hotel stands out for is it's kind of like modern tech edge, if that makes sense. And what I mean by that is right when you walk into the lobby, you see a little robot. It's actually right behind me. I don't know if you can see it in the shot. It's moving right here. Okay, so I could be mistaken, but it does look like it's like a dad joke machine on wheels, I guess. But aside from that, it's super cool to see a robot moving around in the lobby. And even in the rooms here, everything's controlled by an iPad, from the lights to your TV, to I think even the blinds in the room to open and shut your blinds can all be controlled by an iPad. It's not a premium hotel, so you do not get the express passes, but you do get early access to the parks. What I love most about this hotel is, again, the tech aspect of it. You've got amazing food here. The convenience in terms of like walking to Volcano Bay is clutch. And honestly, when I stay here, we just walk right across the street. There's a hotel called Sapphire Falls that allows you to take a boat to City Walk in Universal Orlando and Islands of Adventure. And lastly, how could I forget, the rooftop bar and restaurant here has panoramic views of Orlando, all the theme parks here, and even Epic Universe you can see in the distance. At any rate, let's go take a walk around the hotel. So again, I will speak on behalf of my wife here. She does appreciate that there is a Starbucks right here in the lobby. So you've got the entrance here. Right here is a Starbucks. They even serve Starbucks food here, so it's not just a coffee. And you can see here is the main food court, which is incredible. You got these big, wide open windows. In terms of hotel food, this is one of the go-to spots. It doesn't feel like it's just kind of like made on the go. It's really, they prepare the pizza right in front of you. They put it in an open fire oven. I think the pizza's fantastic. Another thing you're not gonna wanna miss here is this gelato stand. So they essentially have every different flavor you can imagine here. Plenty of flavors and plenty of different things, toppings to throw on top of your gelato as well. Now, as you can see behind me here, the pool is incredible. I will say, out of all the pools here on the resort, I'm not sure it's the most family friendly, but it definitely has really cool architecture. We have a pool bar right here to the left. And again, right behind me there, at the other edge of the pool, is actually a walkway. It will take you into Volcano Bay. So if you're in Orlando and you're looking to go to Volcano Bay, this might be the hotel for you because it's just a walk away. Now I do want to walk you over here to the pool bar. I don't know if I can go into the actual bar itself because I think it's closed right now, but at least you can get an idea of what it looks like. And again, although the pool might not be the most family friendly here at Universal Orlando Resort, you do have an awesome splash pad for the kiddos, and it's all gated off too, which is really nice. I didn't even know this was back here, but next to the splash pad is actually more recreational games and whatnot for the kids to play. As a dad and about to have my second child, I can appreciate that. Okay, now you've seen the lobby, you've seen the pool. Let's talk about the rooms. The standard rooms are great for individuals or small groups. Those deluxe rooms are great if you're looking for a bit more breathing room after a full day at the parks. And of course, the kids' suites are perfect for families needing separations between adults and kids' sleeping areas. Plus the added comfort and space. After the shots you probably just saw, if you're willing to spend a little bit more, it might be worth having us reach out to the hotel and saying, hey, we want a skyline view, or we want a park view, because there's plenty of opportunity here for amazing views from your hotel room. Now, given that, even if you don't want to do that, you can see this hotel is incredible to stay at. And even if your room doesn't have the most spectacular view, what you can do is jump in the elevator and go up top to the rooftop bar. Let's go check it out. We didn't have a lot of time up there because we were lucky enough for Universal to invite us to go up there and check out the rooftop views. But hopefully that was enough to give you a pretty good taste of what it looks like up there. Again, you've got great food, you've got a pool, you've got a splash pad for the kids that skated off. You're a walking distance from Volcano Bay, walking distance to Sapphire Falls. Again, little hidden trick, if you walk to Sapphire Falls, you can jump on a boat that'll take you to City Walk, Universal Orlando, and Islands of Adventure. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Really appreciate it. If you liked this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. And also, equally as important, if you're looking to book your vacation, please consider Explore Orlando. We are a fully licensed travel agency with Universal and Disney, so we can book this hotel for you at the best rate with no additional cost to you. And lastly, of course, remember, we are here to get you to Orlando and beyond. All right, guys, maybe that's the tagline we go with. I don't know. All right, see y'all next time.